Sir, as every student have a dream of learning in IITs or NITs who are gonna pursue engineering. But in your case, you have completed your graduation from a tier 3 college. So what you think? Do the college really helps for better future or the hard work pays off everything from any institute?
Okay, it's a really very interesting question. I'd like to give you a very different kind of answer because this is something which is very close to me. Uh, I completed my 10th with a percentage of 65.6. Okay, 12th में मेरी marks आए थे मेरे that was 59 point something I believe. So it was not even first class. But yeah, I'll tell you one thing. College does matters. Your academics really matters a lot, but this has a certain percentage that actually plays the role in your success of career. ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा हूँ मैं? Because calculate the success like getting a job or having a company or making money is the success. Then I don't really think college really matters. But you should not take your success or its goal related with the colleges. मैं अपने आप को I wanted to be in Indian Army. Unfortunately, I could not get that job, and I believe. But preparing for such a great dream made me ready, prepared to achieve something not that as good as I could have done in Indian Army, but yes, I got something better than what other graduates are doing, even having tag from IITs and NITs.
आपने अपने कॉलेज टाइम में कैसी स्ट्रगल फेस किए हैं विद रिलेटेड टू एकेडमिक्स एंड स्पोर्ट एक्टिविटीज और आपने उस टाइम पे अपने टाइम को मैनेज कैसे किया?
मेरी स्टोरी बहुत डिफरेंट है गाइस. मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ. लाइक maybe I don't know this is the right place to tell you or not. I had 17 backlogs till I was in final year 7th sem. 17 backlogs थे मेरे, and once I passed out I had 10 backlogs. I was not allowed to appear in my campus drive because वहाँ पे beyond the limit of couple of backlogs you are not allowed to appear in uh, on campus drives like Wipro, Infosys, TCS and all these companies. And moreover मैं civil से था तो बहुत सारी companies civil को allow भी नहीं करती हैं. तो मेरा टाइम ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि like I was studying so much and I was such a good academically such a good student. आपने वो देखी होगी ना मूवी 3 Idiots. ऊपर से अपना नाम नहीं देखता था, नीचे से देखता था. My story is very similar to that person. I'm having a software company. We got our branches in Singapore and India, and we have a team of about more than a dozen people in India, and about half a dozen people are there in Singapore. 80% of them are coders, hardcore developers. But I don't know anything more than include Fonio.h, Studio.h. That is the only thing I know about coding. मुझे कभी नहीं पता था. I never knew like I'm going to have a kind of career into entrepreneurship or I'll have something in this industry, because as I told you, I was not preparing for any civil line of jobs like civilian wali life. I hadn't dreamt of. I always wanted to be a personal in Indian Army. So that was a very very different perspective that I used to have while my college time.
Is it possible to build a widely successful company without burning out or damaging other parts of the life like health, wealth, family, etc.?
Okay, interesting one. See, like I mentioned, I started my company in 2017 August. Uh, Honestly, I was left with just 14,000 rupees in my bank account. So that was the savings I had from my job because uh, I spent all the money I have earned previously. So I never had thought that I'm going to start a company or have a startup also. So it's something like there are two kind of startups. The conventional one is having capital or asking for capital, gathering money, finding an investor, and using the funds to own an office, hire team members, hire accessories and equipments, pay the salaries, and get started. The second one is known as bootstrap. So mine was a bootstrap model. Is a bootstrap model still. I don't have any investor as of now. So far, we have been operating since the bootstrap is something that you invest your own savings, your own money, and whatever you make as a profit, you use that money to fund your company and grow it up. So definitely yes, it's possible to have a company without wasting your parents' money, your hard-earned money, or having a huge capital, and you can make it a successful one as well.
So moving on to next, what is the most interpersonal conflict you have dealt with, and how did you handle it?
Okay. सी जब आप एक कंपनी या फिर एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रन कर रहे होते हो तो सबसे बड़ा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट आपका अपने आप के साथ होता है. Your conflict is not with the other people or the members working with you or the clients or the competitors. The biggest conflict you have is with yourself only. To keep on convincing and motivating yourself that everything is going to be fine soon. Keep going, all is well. Or how strongly you are dealing with this stuff, because everything comes and goes. It's just you have to be present, you have to be there, and things will pass, and sooner or later sun shines.
Yes, sir. Sir, what important steps you want to convey to our viewers and youth of our societies that would lead them to better and satisfying bright future?
See, पहली चीज मैं अपने आप को इतना अभी सक्सेसफुल नहीं समझता हूँ कि आई कैन कन्वे एनी मैसेज टू द यूथ एंड सोसाइटी ऑफ आवर नेशन, और सो आई एम जस्ट अ वेरी कॉमन मैन and just trying to do something good for our people associated with this and around me. And yes, based on my experience, what I feel is you should be optimistic throughout your life. अगर आप देखो मेरी स्टोरी, मेरे पास 17 बैकलॉग्स थे. वुड यू बिलीव आई हैड 17 बैकलॉग्स वाइल 7 सेम. अगर मैंने अपने आप को ऑप्टिमिस्टिक नहीं रखा होता, sometimes I used to get thoughts of suicide. What's there in this life? People who got I was preparing for government exams. I told you, like Indian Army, CDS. So at that span of time, I was thinking कि CDS के लिए कैसे क्वालिफिकेशन चाहिए होती है. आपको ग्रेजुएट होना चाहिए. आप या तो सरकारी स्कूल से BA कर लो, BSc कर लो, उसमें कुछ खर्चे भी नहीं आते. आप आराम से कहीं कोचिंग करते, CDS की तैयारी करते और वो एग्जाम हो जाता 3 साल में, rather than investing 4 years in BTech. 1 साल उसके पहले उसकी AAA एग्जाम्स की तैयारी किया मैंने. So what I got ultimately, so I was full of remorse and regrets, and having so much of negativity inside and around me. People were so sarcastic, and they used to taunt and make such kind of comments like this guy is not going to do anything, such a bullshit he is. So आपको उस negativity से भी लड़ना पड़ता है. And that span of time you develop such skills कि आपको ये फिर बाहर की जो भी चीजें हैं that won't bother you anymore. And this is something how you have to deal with this surrounding. और मैं यही मैसेज देना चाहूँगा कि whatsoever incidences and things are coming in your life, never give up, either in terms of your attitude, your approach, or your perspective towards your goals. So keep going. Those things on the way which will keep on motivating you to keep going.
Yes, sir. We are very much thankful to you for giving your such precious time to us, and hence it was an awesome session.